It's raining. It's raining really nice. It's really heavy rain. You can see now. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your style chef Adarsh Kumar, and today it's actually raining. It's raining a lot, and so you know now what is the best combination for rains, especially in India. It is ginger tea with pyaz ke pakode. So I've already taught you how to make a nice tea, masala tea. So that recipe would be here on top. So you try that. Along with that, I'll teach you how to make very simple pyaz ke pakode for such nice rainy weather. So why are we waiting? Let's go and make our pakodas. So for onion pakoda, I have actually, you can see here, onion has been very thinly sliced. The more the thinner, the better the crunch would be. You can see it is almost translucent. So you have to make sure that your onions are really thinly sliced. I have actually chopped a little bit of green chilies here, and this is curry leaves. I love curry leaves, so I'll be adding that here. So let's go ahead and start making our pakode. So for that, first I'll be putting the onions inside. So I now have put the onions first. With this, I'll be putting the curry leaves and the green chilies. To this, I'll add salt to taste. To this, I'll be adding some cumin, a little bit of red chili powder. You can increase or decrease as per your taste. Just a pinch of turmeric. Now we'll mix these ingredients together so that the flavor actually permeates the entire onion. We want the salt, the spice and everything to reach every portion of the onions, so that when we make the fritters or the pakoras as we call, they will be really nice and crunchy. This will add a little bit of ajwain or carom seeds. Ajwain gives a nice flavor. So now here's the tricky part. You have normally what people do is they make a batter of this pakoda and then they put the onions inside and then they fry. So it normally comes out really soggy. So to make it crunchy, we'll not be adding much of water, and we'll be first adding little by little of the besan. So I added a little besan first. I'll try now mix it nicely so that the besan coats the entire onion. See, the onion will be already leaving a little bit of water. So with that itself, we will get a nice coating. Keep adding 1 tablespoon at a time and keep mixing it nicely till you feel that you can actually make good pakodas. Now I'll again mix it. So my onions are nicely coated with the besan. Now you can see. So, but still I can see, you can actually observe now that the onions are still a little bit apart. We'll just add a little bit, very light amount of water, a very little amount of water. That's it, and I'll mix it nicely and I'll see if the coating, if I can make good nice pakodas, then that would be enough. I don't have to put any more. So I can observe here. See, now we are able to make small pakodas. So this is the consistency I want, not more, not less. So guys, the pakoda batter is ready. Now all we need to do is go ahead and fry these pakodas. Make sure the oil you are using does not have much flavor. I normally cook in sunflower oil. You also use sunflower oil. And when we are heating the oil, please make sure that you heat the oil nicely and then reduce it to medium, because we want our oil to be very hot so that the crispy layer of the entire pakoda comes out really well. But we have to make sure it is not always high, because when we are putting the pakoda we have to make it again to medium, otherwise the pakoda will get burnt and maybe it will not cook inside. So why are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and make the pakodas. So guys, our oil is hot now. So guys, I'll be making fritters now. So you can see this is the consistency of the pakoda. Flatten it a bit so that you get evenly distributed pakoda, and then I'll be frying it. Guys, the pakodas are done. They are golden in color, nicely crunchy. So I'll be taking them out and put them in absorbent paper. So guys, it was a very easy and fun recipe today which we tried out. These are called onion pakoda and are a best compliment for every monsoon season in India. So this tea and this combo, we call it pyaj ke pakode. Normally it is called as onion fritters outside. So you guys please try it. So now it's time for the taste test. So here is one pakoda. I'll now tell you how crunchy is this. I'll not say, just here. You can hear the crunch, right? See the crunch? Lovely pakoda. Lovely pakoda for lovely season. Please try it at home. It is very simple to make, very easy. Make your evening special with having the pakoda. So I am going to enjoy more now. I will be having my tea and pakoda. So I'll catch you next time. The flavor is really nice. It's very simple. Nothing, no rocket science behind this pakoda. And you can make it crispy at home. Why spending unnecessary money outside and going? So do this, make this. This masala is telling me that you guys will now like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell because you will be getting more and more easy recipes from me. So this is your Style Chef Adarsh Kumar. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Make this pakoda. Tell me in the comments did you like it or not. And me, Adarsh, your Style Chef, will meet you next time. Till then, have happy monsoon. Enjoy the rains. Take care.